let's make a build-up riser like I've done in Notorious and many of my other tracks. As I've said as well, when you have your FX in the same key as your tracks, it's going to make the whole thing sound a lot more harmonious and gelled together well. So let's create our own riser here using an LFO and the filter. So we'll start by just assigning the oscillators. Turn on the sub. Just shape the amplifier envelope. And now we're ready to apply the LFO. So go to LFO 1 here. Again, I'm going to use the waveform pattern that I created that was similar to the one that I've used on my Moog before. And let's apply the LFO onto the filter. So turn on the filter, send both oscillators into the filter. Now you can start to hear that effect that we're going for. And now we take it off BPM sync and we just slow it down. Sounding pretty cool. We can experiment with different waveforms for the LFO and also the amount that the filter is on. And depending on what key you're writing your track in, we can change the notes. So say your track is in F. We can change the waveforms of the oscillators that we're using. So go basic. Let's mix it up. That sounds a bit meaner. It's got a nice feel to it. And you can really feel that build-up effect. So I like to do that in pretty much every track because then you know that your FX is in the same key as the track that you're writing in. And it's just a cool way to add your own unique touches, and it doesn't take that long to do. So try making your own FX build-ups in your own tracks, and then as the build-up progresses, add some reverb to it, add some delay, even some creative plugins like the Sound Toys Crystallizer to get some unique effects going on. Just play around and try come up with your own effects sounds for your tracks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.
Notorious, they don't wanna war with us.